Roll the dice.
Don't give up on me just yet.
Don't give up.
If you're gonna try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start.
To be the man, you gotta be the man.
If you're gonna try, go all the way.
All the way. All the way.
This could mean losing girlfriends, wives, relatives, jobs, and maybe your mind.
We gotta keep going.
Go all the way. Could mean not eating for 3 or 4 days. It could mean freezing on a park bench.
Never give up. Go all the way.
It could mean jail. It could mean derision. It could mean mockery, isolation.
To be the man, you gotta be the man. To be the man, you gotta be the man.
Isolation is a gift.
Don't stop.
Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ.
All the others are a test of your endurance, of how much you really want to do it. And you'll do it.
When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
Despite rejection and the worst odds. And it will be better than anything else you can imagine.
He who says he can and he who says he can't are both usually right.
Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ.
If you're gonna try, go all the way. There's no other feeling like that.
I don't care if I fail. I'm gonna try. That's all you gotta do is try.
All the way. All the way.
Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ.
You'll be alone with the gods, and the nights will flame with fire.
Hard work, dedication, hard work, dedication. This
Do
is
it,
the end.
do it, do it. All the way, all the way. You will ride life to perfect laughter. It's the only good fight there is.
To victory.